Nature's own true setter. Look through history, pages tell the tales. Cannabis was a friend, not the wind in our sails. While we turned our backs, it's hard to comprehend when it brought nothing but peace. Why pretend? Heal it up, heal it up. Nature's own true setup. Can we rewind? See the truth once more. Not a taboo, but a cure we adore. Let's break the bias.